Hello, kids! Welcome to Vocabulary by Planet Spark YouTube channel.
Hey, kids! Ready for a super fun quiz game? Let's play with size words. Big, small, tall, short. Are you ready? Let's go! Which one is big? Elephant! Awesome! That's big! A tiny ant is very blank. Small! Great job! So small! Tree or chair? Which one is tall? Tree. Yay! Super tall! A pencil is short. A tower is underscore. Tall! You're so smart! Fun activity time! Clap 3 times. Now say big, small, tall, short.
Please like the video and subscribe my channel.
Which one is big? Wow! Whale! That's huge! Question 6. A giraffe is very blank. Answer, tall. Amazing! Question 7. Big box or small box? Which one can hold more toys? Answer, big box. Great thinking! Question 8. A baby is small. An adult is underscore. Answer, big! Yes, you got it! Question 9. Which one is short? Answer, pencil. Nice one! Question 10. A short story is not long. It is blank. Short. Perfect. Fun activity. Make an angry face. Grrr. Now smile. Question 11. A big elephant and a small cat. Who is smaller? Cat. Awesome answer. Question 12. Ball or brick? Which one is smaller? Answer, brick. Great job! Question 13. Boy vs. building. Which one is taller? Answer, building. Wow, you're right!
Hey, superstar! Ready to show how strong your words power is? Ask Mama and Papa to book your vocabulary challenge below.
Find something green near you. Did you find it? Yay! Question 14. A worm is short. A snake is… long. Nice thinking. Question 15. A short ladder and a tall ladder. Which one helps you reach higher? Answer: tall ladder. You did it! Wow, you did amazing! You are a size word champ! Comment your score below.
To start your learning journey, click the link in the description. Choose your class, enter your phone number, and book your free demo today. Follow our other YouTube channel to help your child become a great speaker. Please like the video and subscribe my channel.